guys, my name is Cherri and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Oh my gosh, look at my... As you can see, I finally got the star at the top. Can you see the star? Let me take you to go see it. So here is the star. Finally got that up there. And here is the entire tree. There's a mess on the floor, but there we go. I'm pretty much done. I know there are some areas that need a little assistance, like it's a little empty, but I think it looks okay. All right, so today I want to decorate these snowmen. So let me take you over here so I can show you. Here is, I guess, the entry table, and I have these two snowmen here, and I was debating on whether or not I should paint them, and I think I'm going to do it. If you're wondering, I got these snowmen from Target. They were like $2, and yeah, I think I'm gonna paint them. Painting them will make it look, I don't know, more festive. So earlier I went to Michael's and I picked up a few items that I'm going to show you really quickly. So I have some paint. I have black, white, like a hunter green, orange, because I didn't know if I was going to give the snowman a carrot nose or not. And then I have like a crimson red, or is it red? I guess it's just red. And these are the little pots to put the paint in. And then I got some paint brushes. So I'm hoping this comes out good. I am going to try my best to make it like really nice, but we'll see. All right. Let's just get started. I'm going to start with this snowman here. To avoid, I guess, mistakes, I guess I'm going to kind of like trace out what I want the snowman to look like. So I definitely want to draw a line because his hat will need a cutoff, right? You want to make sure the hat is distinct. So his hat is going to go there. I was also thinking about making a buckle, but I'll focus on just painting the hat first. His eyeballs, I'm just gonna make 2 black dots for the eyeballs. I think that'll be good enough. And I'm wondering if I should do the carrot nose. I like the carrot nose, so let's try. I just didn't want the orange to throw off the color, like the color scheme. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I just don't want it to look weird. Like, oh, look at that little cheap snowman. I want my snowman to look high-end. Okay, let's see. But then where is his smile supposed to go? Okay, I'm not gonna worry about the carrot nose right now until I get like the smile on. So the smile, should I do like a dotted smile or a regular smile? Because usually, you know how you build a snowman but you use, I guess, coal? Yeah, so maybe I should do like a dotted smile. Like this, 1 dot. Oh, I wasn't thinking. Being that I have 2 snowmen, one could be a girl and the other one could be a boy. All right, so let's work on the boy first. He's not looking like he has enough space for the nose. So I think I'm just gonna rock it out with the eyes and the smile. I'm also going to do his buttons on his body. I know you guys can't see the dots, but you'll see once I start painting it. All right, and I feel like that's good enough. So let me get the cups out. I probably should get some hand towel. So acrylic paints, they're typically gonna be washable, but you know, you wanna lay down some hand towel just to avoid a mess. I don't think I have 6 colors, but we'll see. Let's pour a little bit of black. Acrylic paint is opaque, so a little bit goes a long way. So I just have a dot of black. The green, oh, I was thinking about making a scarf. Okay, let me just use the black for what I need to use the black for first, and then I'll come back later if I want to add more color. First thing I'm going to do, I have my little snowman here. I'm gonna take some of this black paint and let's start working on the hat first. My 2 finished products. I have the boy snowman here. He just has his hat on, a little carrot nose, his buttons, smile, and eyes. Very simple. I was going to do like a buckle on the hat, but I already felt like the snowman was looking a little, you know, like a first grade project. So I'm gonna just leave it as is. I'd rather it be simple than complex and looking cheap. And as for the girl snowman, I did do a little bit extra with her. I made her eyes closed and she has some little lashes, and you know, she has a carrot nose, her smile, her buttons, but then she also has a little blush as well. So yeah, those are our snowmen. Let me put them on the entry table. Alright, so here is the entry table with the completed snowmen. I think they look so cute. So adorable. Yay! Alright you guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, my snowmen are over here just, you know, just chilling, enjoying themselves. Stay tuned for like a holiday decor tour. I did, you know, add a few things, decorative pieces that I want to just show you guys. Maybe it'll put you in the decorating spirit. Alright, well, that is pretty much it for today. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Are you guys interested in DIY projects, especially during the holiday season? I kind of like it. I wish I did a little bit more, but honestly, you kind of have to be in the mood to do DIYs, you know? It is a little on the time-consuming side. Alright, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.